Hi.
Hi there. Come on in.
Thank you. So we get to see your beautiful kitchen today.
Yes,
All right.
my wonderful new kitchen.
All right, let's go.
So proud to show it.
Oh wow, that's nice.
Thank you.
A great job. So it'd be wonderful if you show me some of the little touches and design things that you have in here.
All right. I'm not Marie Kondo, so it's not very organized and pretty.
No, that's good. It's like real life.
This is my pride and joy. Is my spice drawer.
Oh, nice. Nice.
And there's about 50 spices.
I love that.
But I do have another drawer for more spices.
Yep. I love that. I mean, and yeah, that's awesome.
And then we just love the quality of the cabinets. Easy to slide in and out, and
yeah, I mean, when you look in here, that's a lot of there's a lot of weight.
Yes.
In those drawers, and it's still.
That's right.
That's nice.
Right. And here is the.
Oh, cool.
I have many utensils and oil and vinegar.
That's smart. That's nice. I like this. Like, I haven't seen too many people think of this because like most of I have like way too many things as well, like spoons, spatulas, and different things. I always try to lay them flat, but that's really smart. That's one of the first times I've seen someone do
all enclosed.
A nice deep one.
Right.
I like that a lot.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And then we do love the 32-inch drawers. It's perfect.
Yep.
And then we have all
nice.
I have a lot of things.
Don't we all? Don't we all? Yeah, no, that's very nice.
And one thing I worried about was the 5 drawers, whether it will work or not, and how it will work. But and the reason why I wanted the 5 drawers is because I have a lot of small Japanese dishes, Japanese teacups, saucers, and it. Well, here's the. It's just perfect.
Nice. Yeah.
Rather than have it in the cabinets.
Yeah, that's very smart.
Works out really great.
Yeah, I like that.
And then we love the
Oh, you did the Super Susan?
Yeah, the Super Susan.
Yeah, that's nice.
It holds a lot. Very sturdy.
Yeah. I like that. That's the Super Susan is a nice upgrade to
Yes.
the regular place. Yeah.
And it's nice to have below for all the Tupperware.
Yep.
And also
a nice pantry unit.
The pantry. And this is very heavy, but it's very sturdy.
That's good.
And here we have all the
rolled out shelves.
All roll out shelves.
And you had a really good idea earlier, right? You said you're thinking of putting a mirror on this top shelf.
Yes, so I can see what's
what's in behind there.
Right.
That's smart.
And then here we have the.
Oh yeah, the tray divider.
Yes.
Nice.
Works out great.
Yeah, I like it. I like them when they're up top. Because it's much easier.
Right.
When you're down below, I find.
That's right. And this is a little buffet, and these are all junk drawers. So I won't show them.
We all need them. We all need them.
But here is the booze.
Nice. Little roll out. Yeah.
Yes.
Absolutely. Yeah, it's looking nice. I like that.
Right, and we have the glass cabinets.
Some glass frame doors.
Yes.
Some puck lighting up top. That looks really nice.
I think that's
about it.
That's it.
So as you see, it's the beach house.
Yeah, that's it.
Well designed for the beach. Awesome. Well, thank you so much for showing me.
You're welcome.
Kitchen. That's wonderful.
It's a pleasure.
Thank you.
Yeah.